What's up, boss babes, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lee Poitier and this is Life with Lee. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing an 18-inch straight wig with a bang by a seller on Amazon named Mariska. You already know I love a nice weave at a nice price point, and I know you will too. And I couldn't find any reviews on this wig, so I decided to go ahead and purchase it, review it for all of us, and if it comes out well, we'll all be looking like some beautiful boss babes. Let's just get into it. Okay, so it came in that yellow package through Amazon, and then it came in a pink plastic baggie with the wig and some other nice essentials, a company card that shows you how to comb the hair and wash the hair, and then it has like a nice $10 to $20 card if you call them back or something like that, but that's a nice opportunity to get some cash back if you would like. And then it came with a beautiful red satin bag to hold your hair in with two cute little tassels. Most of them just come with a plastic baggie, which is cool because again, you're getting it at an affordable price point, so they try to keep it as low as possible. But this is a really nice addition, so I'm really excited about this. And it also came with a wig cap as well. And of course, it came with the wig. I am super excited about her. A little nervous, of course, but it will definitely work. I feel it. Like, you know, you just know they're gonna be on point. They're gonna be on point. So.
Hello. Welcome, please. Welcome. Remain seated.
18-inch natural colored wig. It has a little curl in it, so I definitely won't have to straighten it after I wash and blow dry it out. It does have a little stench to it, but most of them do, so that's why it is important to wash them before you actually rock them out. It comes with two combs on the side as well as one in the back, along with the drawstring to make it tighter. It isn't a lace wig, which is fine with me because when they're bang and full, it definitely already covers all of that for the most part, so I'm not stressing or worried about that. It feels like a 120 density. I have to look at exactly what it says, 150 I think it was, but it feels like it feels light but not super thin. Let's pop her on and see how she looks. This is it straight on my head. It definitely is a thinner wig than I would personally want, but I prefer it to be thinner than thicker. Again, this is for a 2-day shoot that I'm going to rock it for. It's an 18-inch. I'm 5'10", and it comes about here, so a little bit past my boob area. Either way, it's extremely pretty for the first time put on. The bang isn't too thick, which I love. They aren't too long, which I will end up cutting after I curl to see if I want to. But I love the fact that, like, when I get bangs, I like when they cover right at my lashes. So if you are considering getting this wig, be mindful that if you prefer it thicker, this will not be the wig for you. But I'm only saying that by putting it on as is, before washing and before blow drying, to see if it comes out fuller. So let's do a little styling to see how it comes out.
Need my cheese, need that queso, need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil. I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish.
All right, so it came out a little bit thicker just from blow drying it. I didn't dampen it or anything before. I was just kind of giving a little fluff. So I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it a little bit better and curl my bangs so we can get a cuter and better understanding of what she can do.
How you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach, let it sing. What's your purpose? What's your passion? Did it pain? What's your plan? Is it play?
Wanna play? How'd you play? I'm just playing. What's your purpose? What's your passion?
Did it pain? What's your play? Is it play? Wanna play? How'd you play? I'm just playing. A beat by Joby, feel like Obi-Wan Kenobi, cause I'm a star and they can't hold me like I'm Kobe in the fourth. Yeah, nothing is ever forced. We headed straight to the source.
Okay, so here's the final look. It's a little bit fuller. The bangs are so nice. I didn't even cut them because I haven't washed it yet and then blow dried it. Then I will cut it. But I did curl it a little bit more just so that you guys can see how it looks. Depending on what you're looking for, whether you like it thicker or thinner, I definitely will say this is the nice, thin, sleek, not too thin and not too thick wig, as well as the bang. Like if I were to spread them apart, they'll be a little bit thinner, you know what I'm saying? But I do like the full but not too full look. What do you think? I think we did well on this one. Like, she looks good for a $55 quick weave through Amazon, which came in like 3 days. this is a good one. So let me know if you have a wig that you would like for me to review, if you're too nervous to buy it. Alright, boss babes, I'll see you all in my next video. If you aren't subscribed to my page, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you are, turn on your notifications so you know when I upload my next video. Until next time, God bless you. Bye.